Did you check that contract for Morris Computers?
Yes, I did. It's fine, I think.
Good. We need to check this with Alan Wick too. Hello, 3D UK. Can I help you?
Hello. Can I speak to Emily, please?
Hold on a moment. She's here.
Hello, Emily Wise.
Hi, it's Claire. I got your message.
Good. Do you want to go for a coffee after work?
Sure. Is 6 o'clock okay?
Yes, that's fine. Let's meet at Cafe Uno.
Okay. See you there at 6. Bye.
Bye. Sorry about that, Tim. Right, where were we?
The Morris Computers contract. We need to talk to Alan Wick.
Yes, I'm waiting for him to call me back.
Great. And we need to talk to Chris Morris.
Yes, I know. I'll call him now.
Hi, love.
Hi.
I'm going to Sophie's for a coffee. Do you want to come?
No, I can't. I'm sorry. I've got a conference call in a minute and it's quite important.
Okay. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello?
Hello, is that Chris Morris?
Speaking.
This is Emily Wise from 3D UK.
Hello, Emily. Look, I've got a conference call in a minute. Can I call you back in an hour?
Of course. Call me on my mobile.
Right. I'll call you later.
Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye. Hello? Jason, good to hear from you. Hello, Andrea. How are things?